Where's your smile? That's not you. There it is. You give me a kiss? Head? Your head. Where's your eye? Where's your nose? Nose? Can you show us your mouth? Hold on. Can you show us your mouth? Where's your ear? Don't hit your sister. Where's your ear? Ear? Your ear that you hear with? Can you give your sister a hug? Where's Annalise? That's a good hug. Who am I? Who am I, Shaw? What do you call me, buddy? Who am I? You say mama?
Look, Mama, they're healing really good.
Shaw, can you say mom?
Mama.
Thank you. I love you. Mwah.
Shaw, can you give me a hug?